Have you ever thought about running complex workflows automatically? Letting AI agents handle tasks for you? And watching everything happen live without writing weak or breakable scripts? Today, we are talking about a powerful tool that makes all of this possible, called Astron Agent. Astron Agent is an open-source platform that helps you build and run multi-agent AI workflows in real production environments. In this video, we will install Astron Agent on Windows using Docker, create a complete workflow, explore different integrations, manage long-running tasks, monitor everything in real time, and finally, prepare it for a production-ready deployment. Let's start step by step. So, what exactly is Astron Agent? Astron Agent is built for developers, AI engineers, automation experts, and SaaS founders who need strong and reliable workflow orchestration. Instead of one big workflow, it breaks complex processes into multiple AI agents. These agents can connect with APIs, databases, and external tools, support long-running jobs, and give you live monitoring and debugging. To get started, open Command Prompt or PowerShell and run the command git clone https://github.com/Astron Agent. This will download the source code, Docker files, and sample workflow examples. After that, move into the project folder by running cd Astron Agent. Next, go to the Docker directory using cd docker and Astron Agent. Now copy the environment template file by running copy.env.example.env. The env file is used to configure service ports, database settings, authentication options, and external API keys. If you are just testing, you can keep all default values as they are. Once the file is saved, start Docker Compose. If you want authentication enabled, run Docker Compose fdocker compose with o.yamlup-d. If you do not need authentication, simply run Docker Compose up-d. Docker will now pull the required images, build containers, and start all services including the backend, agent runtime, user interface, database, message queue, and CASDOR if it is enabled. The first launch may take a few minutes. After that, open your browser and go to localhost to access the Astron Agent UI. Inside the dashboard, you can create agents, design workflows, monitor running tasks, and debug errors easily. For O-enabled setups, the default login is usually admin with password 123, which you should change later for security. After logging in, click on Create. You will see three options: Creation Prompt, Creation Workflow, and Voice Virtual Creation. In Creation Prompt, you can define your agent using a single sentence or choose from suggested templates. Here, set the agent name, category, and introduction. Then edit the prompt to describe the agent's role, tasks, behavior, and style. In the advanced settings, you can turn internet search or code generation on or off. You can also add a knowledge base, an opening message, personality traits, and choose a voice that supports multi-turn conversations. Upload an avatar and click Create. Our copywriting assistant is now ready to use. For Creation Workflow, select Custom Creation. Add a workflow name, category, and description. Then drag and arrange different nodes such as launch model, code, knowledge base, database, workflow, and more. Connect these nodes using arrows to define how tasks flow. Test the workflow, then click Publish. You can deploy it to the Agent Hub or expose it as an API. Once done, all your agents are ready to use. From the left side menu, you can explore the Agent Marketplace, Plugin Marketplace, My Agents, Release Management, Model Management, Resource Management, and many other options. Astron Agent strongly supports open-source collaboration. You can export your workflows, publish them on GitHub, and submit them to the awesome Astron Workflow Collection. It is production-ready and helps developers turn ideas into automated AI workflows that actually work. Check the description for the Astron Agent GitHub repository and the awesome Astron Workflow collection. Start building your own workflows, share them with the community, and become part of the Astron Agent ecosystem. If this video was helpful, and watch the next video to discover more powerful AI tools.